Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 14. We got 2 weeks here. Thank you for joining me for the COOKMAS. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and whip up a quick and tasty pizza treat. We're going to make some pizza muffins. So these are going to be cheesy pepperoni pizza muffins. I only take a couple ingredients. I'm going to use some biscuits, mozzarella cheese, some mini pepperonis, and some basil. And of course you're going to need a muffin pan. So this is a quick and simple but tasty recipe that you can have on the table in minutes. And it's surely going to please the crowd. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, and especially during this COOKMAS season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so these are the pizza muffins. They are full of the pepperoni, that basil, and they're oh so cheesy. Every bite is just so delicious, full of flavor. Definitely go ahead and give these a try, guys. They're so easy to make as well. You can fill them with any of your favorite pizza toppings like sausage, black olives, some onions, green peppers, whatever you like. Go ahead and mix them into that biscuit mix. and it's gonna make a wonderful, delicious pizza muffin. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. Guys, take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.